Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert your steps into sweat coins. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So first of all, open your Sweatcoin app. And as you can see, I already have some steps counts today. Looking at the top right corner, you will see your balance. This is because the app for every 1000 steps automatically convert them in one sweat coin. At this point, if you want to know how to convert your sweet coin, just click on balance and then here click on the you are walking for crypto. As you can see, a personal message that informs you that every 5000 steps will be converted in sweat and the rest into sweat coins. So the process is automatic at this point. Open your Sweet wallet up if you don't have it. Download the app from the app stores and create a wallet on Sweet Wallet. And then on the on page, you will see the total balance. So if I push on transfer, I can either send part of the total of sweat that I have just entering the username or the address of the recipient wallet, or you can tap on receive. You can just copying and receiving your wallet to the person that wants to send you sweat. So that's basically how you can convert your steps into sweat coins. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.